Myself, Dr. Nikitha Mehta. I'm a practicing anesthesiology in Baramati and owner of Mehta Medicare Hospital, which is a 60-bedded multi-speciality hospital in Baramati. I completed my post-graduation in anesthesiology from Siam Hospital, Mumbai. I had enrolled in the course of clinical embryology with GGIRHR, which they are affiliated to Garden City University last year, and I'm going to complete 1 year in the month of June, and I'm really satisfied with the course, with the offline as well as online program that they are conducting. All the staff here are very, very cooperative. They are very like-minded and they are very light-hearted, and I am satisfied with whatever knowledge they have imparted onto us. And one suggestion I would like to give all of the staff is that they should really improvise on the practical aspect or the offline aspect of the course that they are conducting here in GGIRHR. About the online courses that we are having, the lecture series that are being conducted, and the teaching facility which is there in GGIRHR is excellent, no doubt about it. And I wish them all the luck for the future, and I am 100% satisfied with them, and I give them a grade of A grade, that is 9 on 10 to GGIRHR. Thanks a lot.